just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. In a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job and I find some peace in the stations I throw on, but I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song